this is Pawandeep from Kivyana Immigration and Education. I'm a licensed immigration advisor, and today we have got a very special guest, Mr. Parandeep ji from Toyoma Institute of Technology. They have got their campuses in Rotorua and Tauranga and offering variety of courses ranging from diplomas to bachelor's to PG and masters in variety of streams. You name the stream and they have got the course for it. So Parandeep ji, since there are onshore students who have been stuck with the visa issues and looking for the course which can lead to either the work visa or which can lead to residency and all those things. So can you please put some light on those courses, and then we will talk about some hot courses you guys are offering.
All right. So now thank you Pawanji from Kivyana, and thank you for this opportunity. Toyoma, as you all know, is the third biggest New Zealand government institute of technology. We have around 13,000 students across 5 campuses, but 2 main one is Rotorua and Tauranga. And Tauranga, everybody know, pro-COVID it was the fastest growing city, and I hope after COVID also it will be the fastest growing city. So the most popular course which we have is Master of Management by Thesis. So this program is very suitable for the onshore students who have either done a postgraduate or masters in management, business or commerce stream. And I wish everybody good luck, but if by chance that you have lost your job or your visa is not getting extended, then this program is a very good. This is a research oriented 1-year master, and the best part of this program is you can work full-time while studying. So to gain entry into this program, you need to give us a brief research proposal. The template of that is on our website. Based on that, our professors, we have around 7 professors who are teaching this qualification. They will approve that proposal, and first 3 months, 1 day a week, you have to come to the college, in which you will have to be finalizing your research proposal and research methodology. After that, there is a 90 credit research. Normally you can do it actually from anywhere as long as your supervisor agrees, anywhere in New Zealand as long as your supervisor agrees. But sometimes we ask students to come and attend sessions with the supervisor, because you need a lot of self-motivation to do this program. But you do 1-year program, fees is around $23,000. We need 6.5 band with no band less than 6. And after that you get 3 years of open work permit also. And that program actually is available both in Tauranga and Rotorua campus. So that is the most popular one.
And sorry to cut you in between, with regards to this particular course, since we have been getting inquiries from students who are primarily based in Christchurch or Auckland, and they have been working there and they don't want to lose that work opportunity as well. Mm-hmm. And so how flexible it would be if they do it on the distance learning mode?
So we can actually work out if there is a big cohort. So right now the model is they have to come to a class 1 day a week to finalize the research proposal and methodology for 3 months. Once they have finalized, then there is more flexibility that they could be anywhere in New Zealand as long as their supervisor agrees.
Okay, that's good.
Because the main idea is we want to see that students are progressing well. Yes. Because sometimes when you are so far away from the college, your motivation is not that high. You don't spend that much time on study. That's right. So although we say that you can work full time, but you still have to study also. You have to do a lot of research. You have to go to library. You have to do lot of digging in the journals. Yes. And otherwise you won't gain anything. Right. And this is pretty good. We have a lot of graduates who have come across after this program. Some of them got an accounts job also. Some of them have got job in Noel Liming. Some have gone retail. Some have gone in the banking sector. So the learning outcomes and career opportunities are pretty good.
Yeah, and the most beautiful part is that you can work full time while you are pursuing this course. So if you're already working full time and if you want to pursue this course, you don't have to lose on that opportunity. And what is the minimum requirement in terms of how many marks are required?
So 55% marks is good enough, but it has to be either honors degree, which is normally 4 years, or a postgraduate diploma or Master of Management. And if you have done postgraduate from New Zealand, from any institute, you don't have to repeat IELTS.
Okay, that's good.
But honors degree, not 3 years degree is not enough, and graduate diploma is not enough. So graduate diploma student can come and do our Master of Management. We have 18 months of Master also.
Right.
And if somebody has done PG also, they can get even 6 months cross credit into that. Okay. They can also do that in 1 year, but that is by coursework. Okay. So in that there is some theoretical paper and 45 credit of research also.
Okay, that's really great.
That is popular. Then our Master of Early Childhood has been very popular.
About to come on that. One thing I really want you to clarify, because most of the people who are coming up with the inquiries, they are getting confused with the Masters of Early Childhood Education, which is not leading to teacher registration. So people are of the concern whether this program at your institute would lead to the registration or not. So if you can put some light on that, that would be great.
I think we are the first ITP or private, there's nobody in
Even
private
university as well, I would
institute.
say,
Yeah.
no one offers masters
No.
in teaching in early
So this is, Master of Early Childhood, and we can say that this definitely leads to registration. So that's why it took us 1 year to develop and get it approved, because we have to get it approval from NZQA, and then we have to get it approved from Teaching Council of New Zealand also. It's an 18-month master, around 29,900 fees, but we need any bachelor degree is fine, but you need to have a B grade. Average in that, so which is above around 65% and above marks we need, and we need 7 band in each module. Clubbing is allowed over a period of 2 years, so you can get 7 by multiple sitting over a period of 2 years, and then we accept that clubbing, or even you can club IELTS or PTE score also.
That's fantastic. That's actually fantastic.
So we need 2 references, police vetting, and then you submit the application, and our faculty leader takes a Skype interview. In that interview, basically, she just want to check that.
A very casual interview,
Yeah.
check your communication skills and all those things.
And most importantly, that they need to check that you are passionate about this profession.
Exactly.
That you will be good with the kids, because people are coming from different backgrounds. So they just want to make sure that we get a good early childhood teacher. And as you know, there is a huge demand of kindergarten and early childhood teachers. And I think last month government increased the salary rate also.
Yes, definitely.
So that is becoming very popular. And as you know, you are a licensed advisor. You can tell in masters. A spouse also get full-time work, right?
Exactly. And just to let you guys know that we have enrolled 5 students in the July batch, and for the February intake, we already got a big pipeline of students onshore and offshore as well. And those who have already studied here once and already used the job search visa, this is a fantastic opportunity. If you're meeting the criteria, only go for this program, especially for girls. Because this is leading to a very good career, and you will get job search visa again for 3 years, your spouse will get a work visa, and your children will also get a visa.
And February intake is in Tauranga campus, so which is again a very beautiful city.
And they've got very limited seats, only 30 seats left, and they're providing placements as well, so again a fantastic opportunity. And now coming on to the very important topic, there are students who are stuck with the private colleges. They came here to pursue level 5, 6 diplomas, hospitality, business. Now they are serious about their career, they really want to get into bachelor's or any other trade program which can help them in sorting out their career. So if you can put some light on those who are doing level 5 business or hospitality, how they can sort it out.
So the people who have done level 5, New Zealand diploma in business level 5, especially leadership and management strand, they can straight away enter into our New Zealand diploma in supply chain management level 6. The campus is right here in Mount Maunganui. Because as you know, the port of Tauranga is the biggest seaport of New Zealand. There are a lot of logistic companies also here. So they just have to study 1 year level 6 with us, and they will, if they are coming from outside Auckland, they will be eligible for 2-year work permit.
Yes.
If they are coming from Auckland, they will be eligible for only 1 year work permit.
Yes.
Or the other option is we have Bachelor of Applied Management also. So the people who have done New Zealand diploma in business level 5, they can get 1 year cross credit, or if they have done 5 and 6, then they can get around 18 months of cross credit. Same way hospitality, we have level 5 and level 6 hospitality. People who have done New Zealand diploma in hospitality from any private institute, they can enter into our level 6. So level 6 this year we are offering in July intake is in Rotorua campus. We still have a time they can enroll, or February intake will be in Tauranga campus. And it's same in hospitality, we have Bachelor of Applied Hospitality and Tourism also, in which they can get cross credit. And the advantage of doing bachelor is like 3 years.
3 years work visa. And one thing more, there are students who are really willing to get into cookery or bakery, because these are 2 trades which are quite employability rate is quite high, So if you can put some light on that for the upcoming intakes and fees and all those things.
We have now, July intake has already started. If you are ready to come within sort of next 1 week or so, then you can still enter into July intake. Otherwise in February, we have cookery at both campuses in Rotorua and Tauranga, and bakery is in Tauranga campus starting in February. Again, it's a very practical. We have the kitchens are very good. Some of our chefs are very celebrity chefs. They are very well known, and the course is like around 70% of that is practical, and 30% is theory regarding cookery and bakery. A lot of our students have got jobs in bakery department of Countdown, New World, and chefs. Our chefs are working all around New Zealand. So it's a very practical and applied course. And I know after this COVID, once it is over, New Zealand brand image has gone tremendously up, and tourism will be booming 6 months down the line. And then all the restaurants, hotels, everything will be booming.
Definitely.
So it's a very good area to enter into.
Yeah, so definitely this is the right time to think about yourself, reinvest in yourself, explore yourself, and look for the courses. And anyways, Toymo is offering all the courses you can look for. So if you have got any inquiries, any concerns, feel free to get in touch with us. And looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pardeep ji.
Thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy, all of you. Take care of yourself.